Good morning, Liverpool class, and welcome to maths. I hope that you're going to enjoy doing some of this. All of this is learning that we have previously done. So we're going to first look at adding single digits, okay? So they're quite easy. Okay, so you could count 9 and 3. Because if you know 9 and 1 makes 10, then you just have to add 2 more, don't you? But 17 and 5, if you know 17 and 3 is 20, then you've just got to add 2 more, haven't you? So, and have a look at that number problem too. Okay, Tom has 12 cars, he buys 5 more. What's the total number of cars Tom has now? Now then, if you know 2 and 5 is 7, then you would know 12 and 5 is 17. Have a look at this one, adding 3 single digits. Okay, in this one you need to look very closely and find the number bonds, like in 8 and 5 are 2. Of course, I know that 8 and 2 is 10, so add another 5 is 15. But I also know 6 and 6 is 12. And then I've got to add 9. Oh, that's quite hard. 12 add 9. But I know 12 and 8 is 20. So I've just got to add one more. So that would be 21. You think of ways that you could work it out. Now then, Mum had 3 plates with biscuits. 2 plates had 8 biscuits each on. So I know 8 and 8 is 16. And then I've got another plate with 5 on. I know that 16 and 4 is 20. And there 5 biscuits, so 4, but then I'd need one more, so it would be 21, wouldn't it? Now then, adding multiples of 10. This 20 add 30. Well, I know 2 and 3 is 5, so 20 add 30 would be 50. Have a go at the other two. 34 add 30. Well, 34, I can start at 34. I need to add 3 more 10s. 34, 44, 54, 64. Have a go at the other two. Tom started at 52. Counts on 3 more 10s. What number did he finish at? You have a go at it. Now then, we're getting a bit harder, where we're adding 2 two-digit numbers, look. I've shown you 45 and 23. This is where our partitioning comes in, because I can do 40 and 20, and I can do 5 and 8. Sorry, I can do 5 and 3. 5 and 3 ones, then I can combine. So it's 60 add 8. You can draw the 10s and 1s. You could draw 4 10s, you can draw 2 10s, draw 5 1s, draw 3 1s, and combine them together. You could do that for all of them. Then have a look at that problem. Just the same, but in a problem where there were Ben, he had 47 marbles, and Tom had 32 marbles. What's the total number of marbles? So you've got to think, what is it in that question that I need? I need to be able to find out what 47 marbles and 32 marbles is. Combine them together. Now then, again, we're moving on to a bit harder, where we're bridging. So look at this one. I've given you 59 and 24. So we can partition the second number into 10s and 1s. 20 add 4. So we can go 59, 69, 79. Then we've got to add 4. Now I can add 1 and get to 80 and then know I need 3 more. Or I could just count on 80, 81, 82, 83. You could, so that's one way, but you can also use column addition. Look, I've put it underneath. So you've got 59 and 24. So you add your 1s first and you get 9. Add 4 is 13 because I've added 1 and I know I need 3. So you would put the 3 in the 1s column and carry the 10s into the 10s column. So in that 10s column, you'd have 5 10s for 50, 2 10s for 20, and a 10 that you carried over. So altogether you'd have 5 10s, 2 10s, 1 10s. 5 10s, 2 10s, 1 10 equals 8 10s. So again, 59 add 24 equals 83, because you end up with 8 10s and 3 1s. I want you, using the 2 ways from the previous slide, have a go at adding these 2 numbers together. Then I've given you some problems, look. 20 balloons in one garden. In the neighbour's garden, there are 16 balloons. How many balloons are there altogether? So what are you looking for? You're looking for the numbers that you need to add together. See if you can have a go, because 20 and 16, well, I know that 16 is a 10 and a 6. I could add the 10, then I could add the 6 on. This one, look, Sita has these coins in her purse. What's Sita's total? Them two. Them silver ones are 20, so you've got two 20p coins. If you know 2 and 2 equals 4, then you know 20 and 20 equals 40. Use the knowledge that you've got. Then you've got 2 pence on its own. I think that's quite simple. Then this one, look, cakes cost 45 pence. Biscuits cost 19 pence. Sam buys one of each. So how much does he pay the shopkeeper? So you would be adding 45 add 19. Now then, you could add your 10 to your 45, then add 9. Now 9 we know is very close to 10. So you could add 20 pence and just take one off. Or 45, you've added your 10, 9, you could think 45, what do I need to get to the next 10? 5 and 4. So you decide which is a good strategy. Now then, I also wondered if you could come up with your own addition problem. I would love to see some of this addition work. Why not have a go at writing your own problem as well? And remember, if you do any, I would love you to email me it. Okay, take care and see you soon.